In this video, I'll show you how to fix the download completed, stuck at 0% issue in eFootball Mobile, using a few simple methods that worked for many players. If you've been waiting for the game to load but it keeps showing download completed and never moves past 0%, don't worry. This is actually a common problem, and I'll walk you through the fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps Management, depending on your device. Now search for eFootball and open the app information page. Next, tap on Storage and Cache or simply Storage. Here you'll see the option to clear cache. Tap on it to remove the temporary files that may be causing the game to get stuck during startup. Once you've cleared the cache, close everything and launch eFootball again. Wait for the game to load and check whether the download progresses normally. If the issue is still there and the game continues to stay stuck at download completed 0%, don't worry. We have another method that usually solves the problem. Open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for eFootball and open its app page. Now tap on Uninstall and confirm the removal of the game from your device. After the uninstall process is complete, install the game again from the official store. Once the installation finishes, open the game and sign back into your existing account using the same login method you used before, such as your Konami ID, Google account, or other linked account. In many cases, reinstalling the game replaces any damaged or missing files, allowing the download to complete properly without getting stuck at 0%. This issue has been reported by a lot of players, so you're definitely not the only one experiencing it. If you check the game's community discussions or recent player feedback, you'll notice that many users have reported the same problem, where the download says it's completed, but the game never opens or remains frozen at 0%. Thankfully, for most players, reinstalling the game after clearing the cache has completely fixed the issue. So try both methods in the order shown in this video, and one of them should get eFootball working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy gaming tutorials.